Good afternoon. We have breaking news. Premier Daniel Andrews is about to announce tough new lockdown measures for Melbourne households. Let's take you to a news conference getting underway at Treasury Place.
First of all, from 6 p.m. tonight, I'm declaring a state of disaster across Victoria. This will be in addition to the state of emergency that has operated throughout. This means that police and others have additional powers. Beyond that, the stay-at-home restrictions for Metro Melbourne will be enhanced. There will be additional limits to the 4 reasons to leave home. You will no longer be able to leave home and go any further away from your home than a 5-kilometre radius. You will not be able to be at any point more than 5 kilometres away from your home for the purposes of shopping for what you need. Only one person will be able to go shopping once per day. In terms of exercise, recreational activity is now no longer allowed. You will be allowed to have 1 hour of exercise. The third area of change for Metropolitan Melbourne is that under those state of disaster provisions from 8 p.m. tonight, a curfew will be implemented. So there will be a curfew across Metropolitan Melbourne from 8 p.m. this evening, and it will run from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. each and every day. From midnight next Wednesday, regional Victoria will move to stage 3 restrictions. That's stay at home except for the 4 reasons to leave. That will mean that restaurants, cafes, bars, gyms, a whole range of other settings, we're well and truly acquainted with those, will need to close. From Wednesday, we will move to flexible and remote learning for all students in all schools right across the state.
Oh, sis, that's what I wanted to tell you. I'm working on Friday and Saturday now. We all got a pay raise. And on Saturday we're going for lunch to celebrate after work. But I was sis. Mom and Dad said to always put God first. And look at what you're doing. You're working on Sabbath. Say all in Ava Yaso, Philos for Lima Lama. Remember what Mom says? Tomorrow isn't promised. You might never get the chance to serve the Lord again. It's just 1 week. I promise I'll join the Bible study and church next week. But I always sis, whakale ko I sa iwalu mo e so mai kako ko pefiso so ya Mom and Dad. I promise I'll come back. Bye, sis.
Talo faz eu uso. O galo ia te ele ela falei tua. O famo mo ia lona galo ena. O fape o le ne lalani. Atson. E alu. Ona mena tua lo le alo falei tua.
What a life. I have so much money. What do I want to do with all this money? Buy a car. I think I need some clothes for work. I don't know, I just have so much money. What was my sister saying? Today? Tomorrow? Serving God? I can't remember what she was saying. We can do that next week. I have time next week, but not today.
Jesus said, "Here I stand, won't you please let me in?" And you said, "I will tomorrow." Jesus said, "I am He who supplies all your needs." And you said, "I know, but tomorrow, tomorrow, I'll give my life. Tomorrow, I thought about today, but it's so much easier to say tomorrow. Who promised you tomorrow? Better choose the Lord today, for tomorrow very well might be too late. Jesus said, "Here I stand, won't you please take my hand?" And you said, "I will tomorrow." Jesus said, "I am He who supplies all your needs." And you said, "I know, but tomorrow, tomorrow, I'll give my life. Tomorrow, I thought about today. Oh, but so much easier to say tomorrow. Promised you tomorrow. Better choose the Lord to say. Your tomorrow could very well begin today.
Le ainga le tua le nei sapati, o se pokalame le nā ua mātou saunia mo i tātou. O se whiau o lo a whiwhi mai ai, o le 5 minute o lo soifua malo o la tātou tele I loa le mea tupu ai. O ana nafi ua mawai o tai au e te le loa le mea tupu ai, a o le taimi nei, ia e talia Yesu e ave maali I mawhaola I lo o langa. E tau tailo whainga malanga, o lo o tū Yesu matuitui le whaitatoa lo loto. O a whiawhianga matui na naunga, ua le toa iai se taimi tātou te whatamala ai. A wā ua lata le a whio mai o le alii, oi nei misilo avanoa. A tala vau, Do not get caught up in the short-lived opportunities this world gives you. Ask yourself if what you're doing today is getting closer to where you want to be with God tomorrow. Fa manuele tuele ne sapati, Swafa Yesu. Amen.